I'm really happy on my admission to ONU, sir, and I'm excited to join it as soon as possible. I'm grateful to Added Sports for providing me this great opportunity. After the initial interactions with Team Added Sports, sir, and discussing my interests and priorities, my counselor provided me with a college list suitable to my requirements. Once I started to get responses from the coaches, we as a team analyzed and thereafter shortlisted few colleges. I think ONU was the best fit in the end for me, both academically and athletically. So, sir, as I had a good academic record and wanted to pursue computer engineering, to go for a D3 institute was the most valuable advice given by you, sir. Thereafter, my counselor Aishwarya ma'am selected one of the best colleges to suit my academic and tennis requirements. She also helped and guided me on coach communication, which is a very important facet of this process, as it leads to better understanding of an athlete, build up a rapport, and subsequently help enable the application and admission process. Many lessons, of course, but the most valuable ones, firstly, be open and honest with your team, in my case Added Sports, and as we have to work together towards a common goal. Secondly, share everything with your team and all the communications, and never hesitate to ask any doubts. You should be open with any queries if you have. And lastly, I have to believe in the process, believe in my mentors, and be patient for the best outcome. Uncertainty in the beginning is worrisome, but as one goes through the process, which is structured and streamlined by Added Sports, you start believing in it. College selection is again a tedious and tricky situation, but once you analyze and discuss as a team with all the inputs available, one can focus on the target institutes.
Yeah, first of all, thank you, Tushar. And first I met you and the Added Sports head in 2016, if you remember. And Samarveer did not play any tournaments in last 1 year due to his 12th. So he had no UTR. Also, we were a bit late in the process. So Added Sports was always on back of my mind to see us through. So that's how I decided to contact you and the rest of the team. Definitely, as Added Sports structured the whole process and guided us on every step, as a result, we could achieve the target and complete the admission process in just about 3 to 4 months. Surely, it kept apprehensions at bay, and we are grateful to Added Sports team for giving us this success. Well, each candidate has a different background and aspirations. Added Sports does adapt to each one's requirements. I can say with conviction and advocate all parents to explore the leverage of Added Sports for a brighter future of their ward, and I'm sure they will find it equally satisfying.
I think each one of us deserves to be complimented for this accomplishment, sir. Though it's the beginning of my dream journey, I am grateful to my parents for giving me this opportunity and thank Added Sports for the platform they have given.